Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends in Hamster Kombat tricks. Let's get started. So once you've logged into Telegram, you're going to select Hamster Kombat right there. And then you're going to select Play at the bottom left. Now once you're in Hamster Kombat, you're going to go to the bottom of the screen and you're going to see a tab which says Friends. So we're going to select that. Now it says Invite Friends. You and your friend will receive bonuses. Invite a friend, get 5,000 coins for you and your friend. Invite a friend with Telegram Premium and then you get 25,000 coins for you and your friend. So what you can also do is click on the text where it says More Bonuses. And then you can see the other bonuses right there if you want to. So we're going to go to the bottom and we're going to select the purple button which says Invite a Friend. Then what you can do is select whoever you want to invite. So I'm going to use this person for example. And as you can see there, it places the link and it says, play with me, become crypto exchange CEO and get a token airdrop. So once you're done doing that, you can just click on the send icon there on the right and there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.